What up, YouTube? Got the TLX out here today. I did get the JB4 hooked up, installed, good to go. Slapped my stickers on. I'm really hoping those stickers will add somewhere between 75 and 100 horsepower. I heard that you can get about 50 horsepower per sticker. So I'm probably just going to put as many stickers as I can fit here. That's what I'm thinking. I'll show you the little setup. For the JB4, there's a little OBD2 sensor thing here. I ghetto rigged it on the side with the side input. So I ran the OBD2 through the engine bay. I did it around the door and do the weather stripping there. I'll find a place in the firewall whenever I get the time to it, but honestly I just wanted to go fast. I just have this running loose, but I've got it zip tied here, so it's good. I've got my Bluetooth Connect kit zip tied here, the JB4 sitting in there nice and well, the mass airflow harness, your T-map harness, and your map harness. So your map harness is in a kind of a weird place. I don't know if there's good light there you can see, but that little purple connector there, you'll just do the little bypass. I zip tied it to the rest of this wiring here because I figured it's all wires, might as well wire it up. Here to your coolant line. This doesn't really need to be zip tied. It's good. It's on the intake manifold. It's not touching anywhere, so it shouldn't melt. And then I've got this off the V-band clamp. There was no convenient place to put this, so I just kind of did it off the V-band clamp, kind of loose there, so it doesn't move around or anything. Been really happy with the JB4. Unfortunately, here in South Florida, we've had a pretty gnarly tropical storm coming through, so I haven't really gotten to feel the full effects of the JB4, but I noticed that we got some sun. So I told my girl, hey babe, I'm going out to film a YouTube video. So I already let the car warm up. Let's take her for a rip. The JB4 is cool as hell because whenever you get it, you can actually install the JB4 mobile app. It is a $30 app, but it's fully worth the $30. You already spent 700 bucks on your tune. You might as well go ahead and spend the extra 30 to get the full value out of it. I don't know if I'm in view of the camera well, or if you can see this well, but it will pull up all your gauges. I guess the factory from JB4, they'll give you, I believe, 4 maps that you can run on pump gas. Yeah, 4 maps that you can run on pump gas. In my personal opinion, if you're gonna buy a Type S, this is a must-do. And the reason that I say that, and I kind of hit on it in one of my previous videos, which huge shout out to you guys, because I got like 13K views on that shit, and that is amazing. Like seriously, I couldn't ask for a better response, and it really makes my passion, it like fuels my passion. It makes me want to continue to do this kind of stuff. Used to want to be a superhero, fly around with a cape for bad guys.